Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how to provide liquidity on juiceswap.com. Then you go and stake or farm via beefy.finance because it have a higher annual percentage return using Jude stroke BNB pay. So I'll open my Trust wallet. When I open my Trust wallet, I will load the juiceswap.com page. If you've not loaded it before, you just easily type juiceswap.com. This is it. Then you load. You change this sign here to smart chain. The Ethereum sign there to enable you connect your wallet. The wallet is connected now. Then if you don't have Jude in your wallet already, you just have to buy Jude. This is it. You purchase Jude with your BNB available or BUSD whatsoever, but make sure you have BNB that will serve as gas fee, that will be sufficient enough for gas fee. So after purchasing this stuff, this is what you do next. You click on pull. When you click on pull, you click on add liquidity. So whatever liquidity you have to add now, you should be having the worth of the Jude you purchased. If you purchase $10 worth of Jude, you should also have $10 worth of BNB to enable you provide liquidity, because for providing liquidity you'll be providing with same worth of that token. Like I'm providing with Jude, so I'll provide liquidity. For me to successfully provide liquidity, I'll have to have $10 worth of Jude. If I want to provide $10 worth of Jude liquidity, I have to have $10 worth of Jude and also $10 worth of BNB. That is what. So like now, let me use my BNB balance as an example. To provide liquidity now, I'll be having, they will take away Jude worth of this my BNB balance. Assuming I want to provide liquidity now with all my BNB balance, they will take away the Jude worth of that amount. So when I click on mass now on BNB, you can see $65. This is what I can provide with my BNB balance. But in a situation where I want to use the Jude balance in providing liquidity against BNB, it will be showing insufficient fund because I have less than that on my BNB. So that is all what you just have to do. So let's assume I already provided liquidity. You just click on approve. When you click on approve, then the next thing will be supply. You click on supply, that is, you've provided liquidity. So what next is left for you to do is you just have to, okay, let me just provide as an example. Let me just use 0.1 BNB so you can you can understand better. Okay, you can understand better. You click on approve. Then you click on supply. Yeah, this is it. So what next you do is beefy.finance. You load this beefy.finance. This is where you provided this is where you will stake. Always remember to change this to smart chain. So far you're dealing with a smart chain DEX. Then you click on launch app. You just have to wait for it to load. Beefy.finance site that when there's no good network, I'll try loading it again. Okay, I don't know why it's having difficult loading. Maybe it's network. Let me use the juice swap site as an example. If you want to stake, let me use the juice swap site as an example. If you want to stake, this is it. If when you want to stake now, all you just have to do is you click on staking. You click on staking. So all you have to do now is search for jute stroke bnb pair. You can see it now. This jute stroke bnb pair, it's having an APR of 160.57%. So to provide liquidity, you just have to click on approve staking. You click on approve, you approve. It's just something you do on Bifi.finance. When you load Bifi.finance, you look for jute stroke bnb pair. Then you just have to stake over there. So right now you can see it's requesting for me to stake now. I have jute stroke available 0.37 jute stroke bnb pair. When you provide liquidity with jute stroke bnb, they will give you a supply. So what I have now is with summation of what I have, when it's being divided, it was giving 0.37. I was given 0.3751 jute stroke bnb pair. So this is what I have available to stake. So if I should click stake now, or click on mass, so what I'm staking now is 0.37 jute stroke bnb token. Then click on confirm. It's something you do on Bifi.finance. So when you load the Bifi.finance site, if you load from your end, I think it have a higher annual percentage return. Search for jute stroke bnb pair and stake over there. That is just it. Thanks for watching this video.